Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you how I make this easy, simple baked chicken dinner recipe. So let's get into it. You already know I'm going to wash the chicken, but do you. If you don't wash yours, it's totally fine. It's no big deal. But I had it soaking in lemon juice and salt for a little bit. I didn't have any vinegar this go around, so I used lemon juice and salt. And now I'm just going to rinse it off. And you know how the drill goes. Y'all, my hands are always ashy when I'm recording my videos. I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm always cleaning. I'm always doing something. And so I wash my hands a lot. Especially the times that we're in, y'all. I'm always washing my hands. But these are the ingredients for seasoning my chicken. I have some peppers, some rosemary, lemon, cayenne, some all-purpose, some Tony, some brown sugar. And the brown sugar is going to help with balance and color and flavor. All right, so I'm just zesting my lemon down in here. You want to zest the entire lemon down in here. A little oil just to have somewhere for the spices to go and make sure it sticks and get everywhere. And you don't have to use the spices I use, you guys. You can use what you have in your house. The only mandatory ingredient is the brown sugar because that really brings the entire dish together. However, I guess you could use honey. I guess honey could be used in this case, but I'm suggesting that you use the brown sugar. So next I'm going to add my fresh rosemary and my bell pepper. The bell pepper is just there for razzle dazzle. That's all that is. And now I'm going to put it in my pan. I didn't have any more baking pans, so I used my oven-safe pan. Now, the lemon we zested, we're not going to, get the juice all over the chicken. You don't have to rub it in. Just juice it over the entire chicken, just like this. You want to pop it into a 400-degree oven covered for 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is how it looks. And you want to start removing the cover. First of all, I wanted to eat the chicken right here. It's already cooked, but it's not done. I wanted to eat. Look how beautiful this chicken looks, you guys. And my light is really bright in the kitchen, so you probably can't see it as pretty as I did, but you'll see it up close later on. And now I'm just going to get the juices. Look at all that juice. It accumulated. So that's why I covered it, left it alone for an hour. Don't even open the oven. Leave it alone, okay? Now I'm going to put it back in the oven at 425 uncovered until it's nice and bubbly and done. Now let's move on to the rice. So I'm going to melt down about 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to add some chopped garlic and some chopped onions. You want to mix this up, get it nice and caramelized and cooked down. You don't have to use onions if you're not into it, but I promise you, if you cook it down like I'm doing here, you'll probably love it. Now I'm going to add my washed rice. As you can see, it's washed to the mixture, and you're going to toast up your rice a bit. Now, I know someone's like, oh my God, Misha, why I need to toast my rice? Just for more flavor. That's it, more flavor. And it makes your rice a little more, the texture wise. I like doing it this way because of the texture. So you want to toast it up for about 5 minutes or so until it's nice and fragrant. Next, I'm going to add my water. Now, your water depends on how much rice you're cooking. I do 2 to 1. Next, I'm going to season this with my sazon, half a pack, and about a 4th cup of chopped parsley or cilantro, whichever one you have on hand. Now, I do suggest adding salt to your rice if you're not on a restrictive diet or a diet where you have to have low sodium. I didn't add it to mine because I feel like the chicken already has enough salt in it. And I'm trying to watch my salt intake. So I suggest using salt or taste the liquid. If you feel like you're good, then it's all good. So this is what the chicken looks like. Look how beautiful this chicken is, you guys. We did not make a gravy. We didn't make a sauce. It's beautiful. So now I'm just going to plate it up. I'm going to add some rice down. Look how shelly and pretty and delicious this rice looks. Look at the onion, the garlic, the parsley. First of all, even though the chicken was amazing, the rice was equally as delicious in my opinion. So now I'm just gonna put on about 2 wings. And And then I'm going to put the sauce over top. Oh my goodness. I can't believe how rich and delicious that sauce came out. I also added some salad, just some tomatoes and cucumber. And I'm just going to put over some dressing on top. This is a honey apple dressing, I believe, that I got from the Kroger supermarket. So yeah, that's it, you guys. That's dinner, chicken and rice. Super easy, delicious, and elevated. If you like it, comment below. Let me know what you think. If you try it, tag me. Let me know. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.